There was a huge amount of rain. It had been raining for quite a while. Well, I just remember coming downtown and seeing the river through all the streets of town. It was a huge flood. And of course, we didn't have the McDowell Dam at that point, so the houses down by the river were almost all flooded. But we walked across to the porch of the tavern to see the fire, to see the flood, basically, and then realized that the transcript building was on fire. The flames were just roaring, and the sound of the wind was so loud that we would see trees and telephone poles falling down, but we wouldn't hear them fall because the sound of the wind was so loud you didn't hear anything like that.
Then I remember just in the next morning when we got up and went to walk down to the street and looked across at Putnam Park and all the trees that were down, and it was just an eerie day. It was like quiet, and I can see myself standing there and looking. It was really scary. Mm-hmm. And then our house, we didn't know if the waters would take our house because of the water had gotten so high it went over the walls at Putnam Park, but it went over the wall on the side of the post office. So it had the whole road had been all broken up and left a huge hole, almost the whole width of the road. So cars could not pass over that part of the road.
When the storm comes, don't run for cover. When that storm comes, don't run for cover. When that storm